So this is something very interesting that happened the other day. Do you think really the residents of Kirinyaga, part of them, of course not all of them, really have a right to say you are denying us a chance to choose whoever we want, regardless of whatever allegations you have against this particular individual?
I think that is a misplaced move by these particular residents. It's ill-advised, and it has no basis even in law. And I think the court will have a very easy opportunity in terms of dismissing that. And the reason for that is that the issues that are bound in that particular matter is not a Kirinyaga affair. It is not even an Eastern affair. It is an affair that affects the entire country, and the issues in terms of this alleged embezzlement, if true, actually affect the entire country, such that you cannot just narrow it down parochially and say that it is now a Kirinyaga affair. In any case, I say that there is no need for that, based on the fact that that particular candidate has not yet been barred. Those were recommendations. There are procedures to take place, and that's why they've said those recommendations can only take effect if, as and when they realize there's a conviction, and that conviction must go through the entire process of law in terms of appeal and all that. And what they are saying is that after the fullness of time, if still the verdict is that the candidate is guilty, then she will be barred. And most likely than not, automatically she'll be barred, because there are consequences when you are found guilty, which may not necessarily be pecuniary consequences. It may actually be a conviction and sentencing and jailing after that. So that even by that virtue alone, regardless of how many people protest in Kirinyaga, she will not. And even if she's a governor tomorrow, and this process takes place, it does not bar any process. It does not bar conviction. It does not bar sentencing. She will still be jailed if and when she's found
So there's
guilty.
no stopping the implementation of these recommendations by the Public Accounts Committee?
There's no stopping. The court can actually, if you look at what they're saying, they've just asked for it to be stayed and then the matter be heard. Basically, my take will be, and that is the jurisdiction of the court that will hear it, the court will not stop that particular aspect based on the fact that she was given a chance to appear before that committee. She gave her version, and the committee, based on their constitutional mandate, have come up with that particular recommendation, which has been adopted by the entire House of Parliament.
Okay. All right, Duncan, I believe we are out of time, but thank you very much for helping us understand a number of this issue and what really the law says about it. We wrap up KTN News Desk on that note. Up next is Business Today. Do stay tuned for that. My name is Akisa Wandera. Good afternoon.